Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're practicing accounts well. In this series of admission, today we are going to learn one more new thing. How to calculate the new partner's capital based on the old partner's capital. Alright, and in revaluation also a little bit fine tuning, okay, something new. So all ready and all set? Turn to sum number 69 in DK Goyal, and here it is, the sum. Alright, so what is the sum telling us? There's one Mohan Mahesh, they are doing partnership business. They have admitted one new partner on 1st of April, Nusrat. Alright, Nusrat is joining on 1st of April, and there have been certain revaluations of assets and liabilities. Nusrat has brought in goodwill of 1 lakh in cash, but she is supposed to bring further cash as would make her capital equal to 20% of the combined capital of Mohan and Mahesh. Please note that. Nusrat's capital should be 20% of the combined capital of Mohan and Mahesh, but after the above revaluations and adjustments. Always, even if it is not given, it is assumed that when the new partner is going to bring in capital based on the old partner's capitals, all adjustments should be done first, and then we will find out their combined capital. Okay, future profit sharing ratio is given, fine. And coming to the balance sheet. So let us start with the balance sheet. Creditors are 2,10,000. Workmen's compensation fund is given as 2,50,000. Alright. There's an adjustment to that. We'll come to that. Reserve, general reserve. These figures, you should quickly grasp and distribute kar dena ekdam. Okay? So let us make the partner's capital account here. We have brought down the balance of Mahesh and Mohan, 1,80,000 from the balance sheet. Alright, this is the opening balance. General reserve was 1,60,000. So this should be distributed in the old ratio. So old ratio is given as 3:2. 3:2 mein 1,60,000 comes to 96,000 and 64,000 respectively. So they should be credited with all accumulated profit. Okay, reserves. Then on the debit side, we have cash, debtors, stock, machinery and building. Nothing to be written off as such. देखते हैं revaluation में क्या है. The value of building is appreciated to 3,80,000. Be very careful. These words by and to. These two are the ones creating confusion all the time. The building is appreciated by अगर बोलेंगे, meaning the increase is 3,80,000. But if I say, as it is given in the sum, the building is appreciated to 3,80,000, meaning the new value, the revalued value of the building is 3,80,000. It is not the increase. Revaluation account में क्या जाता है? Yes, the increase or decrease in the value of asset or liability. So let us see, building book value is how much? 2,80,000. And now it is revalued to, appreciated to 3,80,000. मतलब 1 lakh से increase हो गया building का value. Entry is building account debit to revaluation. So buy building 1 lakh. Revaluation, credit side obviously gain. Okay, that done. Next one, very carefully you read. Stock is undervalued by 25%, but it is not the same as undervalue stock by 25% or reduce the value of stock by 25%. नहीं, it is already undervalued, meaning actual जितना worth है उससे कम पे value है ये stock का. How much कम? 25% कम. ठीक है? So this you have to understand. The stock is undervalued by 25%, meaning the actual value is more than that. I do not know the actual value. I need the actual value because this 25% is not on stock given book value. 1,20,000 है stock का book value. उसका 25% नहीं है undervaluation. The actual value, whatever it is, X ले लो. उसका 25% माइनस करेंगे तो 1,20,000 आएगा, which is the book value. Alright, so here I have shown you the calculation. Stock is undervalued by 25%, meaning book value is this, which is 75% of the actual value. जो भी actual value है, increased value, उसका 75% हुआ ये वाला stock, because it is 25% less. Therefore, revalued value of stock, which is 100% I am taking, is 1,20,000 divided by 75 into 100. इसको आप x लेके भी कर सकते हैं. Let the value of the correct value of stock be x. Therefore, if I reduce 25% of x, I will get 1,20,000. And then you solve for x. Clear? Same thing, you will get 1,60,000. Okay? This is the actual value of stock. Therefore, stock has increased by how much? From 1,20,000 to 1,60,000. 40,000 का increase है, 40,000 का increase revaluation account में चला जाएगा. It's a gain for me. Buy stock 40,000. Clear? So either you use this or you can use the 100 wala procedure. Both should give you the same result. Then, coming to the next one. The liability of workmen's compensation fund was determined at 2,30,000. There is a liability, there is a fund. Let us compare कितना है. Fund मेरे पास है 2,50,000 and liability of workmen's compensation fund is 2,30,000. बच गए. 2,50,000 है मेरे पास fund, 2,30,000 ही देना है तो 20,000 और बच भी जाएंगे. Yes. After providing for this liability, I still have 20,000 with me. That 20,000 will be counted as a free reserve that can be distributed to the old partners in their old ratio. Correct? Therefore, we distribute the 20,000 of workmen's compensation reserve in the old ratio 12,000, 8,000. कैसे आया ये? Workmen's compensation reserve was 2,50,000. The liability is 2,30,000. So 20,000 can be distributed to partners. Alright. Now how do we show this? Of course, revaluation account में तो कुछ जाएगा नहीं because we have sufficient reserve. This 2,30,000 is now a liability which will be shown in the new balance sheet. When we prepare the new balance sheet, see, this is coming here. 2,30,000. Clear? फंड गायब हो गया बिकॉज उसमें से 2,30,000 लायबिलिटी में चला जाएगा देने में और बाकी 20,000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया. सो देयर इज नो वर्कमेंस कॉम्पेंसेशन रिजर्व इन द न्यू बैलेंस शीट. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. दिस इज द लायबिलिटी नॉट द रिजर्व. क्लियर? देन Nusrat brought in her share of goodwill at 1 lakh cash. Okay. So ये PFG है. PFG sacrifice ratio में distribute करना है. Let us find the sacrifice ratio. Old is this Mohan and Mahesh. 3/5, 2/5. New ratio 2/5, 2/5, 1/5 है. Of course, Mr. का is immaterial. So sacrifice कौन कर रहा है? 1/5 सिर्फ मोहन because Mahesh share is the same. Earlier also he was getting 2/5 share. Now also is getting 2/5 share. So Mohan is the one who is sacrificing. So entire PFG goes to Mohan. Alright. So Mohan's account is credited with PFG 1 lakh. ये जो cash आया है that should be credited to Mohan's account. Clear? Then the the capital calculation. So obviously first thing we have to close the revaluation account. 1 lakh plus 40, 1,40,000 total available है. This I will distribute in the ratio of 3:2, old ratio. So revaluation profit is credited to partners capital account. I have brought in here by revaluation 84,000 and 56,000. तो सब कुछ उनको मिल चुका है. Right? Old partners balance brought down, general reserve, workmen's compensation, premium on goodwill, revaluation profit सब आ गए. Meaning all adjustments are done. Now you see, after you have done all these adjustments, Mohan का account में आ रहा है 3,92,000 and Mahesh का आ रहा है 2,08,000. Meaning this is the adjusted capitals of the old partners. So if we add them, how much will we get? Combined adjusted capital of Mohan and Mahesh 3,92,000 plus 2,08,000. ये total combined capital है. And what is said? Nusrat is to bring in 20% of that. Right? 20% of the adjusted combined capital of Mohan and Mahesh. 20% कितना आ रहा है? 1,20,000. This is what Nusrat should bring in as capital. Fine. So brings in cash. By cash 1,20,000 Nusrat's capital. हो गया सब कुछ, क्लोज कर दो बैलेंस करके, just have to total this up and here debit side में कुछ है नहीं, these are the balance carried down figures, correct? So revaluation हो गया, adjustments हो गया, capital हो गया, just frame the balance sheet. Balance sheet में it is very important to see that go back to the old balance sheet. Creditors no change, so just bring it like that, 2,10,000, ना बढ़ा ना घटा, right? Workman's compensation liability, we have already seen how it has come here. Then no other liability, सिर्फ partners का closing capital balances आ जाएगा, correct? Fine. This brings us to the completion of liability side. Assets का देखते हैं. Debtors did not change, so debtors comes as 1,60,000. Then we have stock revalued figure. Please remember, यहाँ पे increase decrease नहीं डाला. Balance sheet shows the current value. Revalued figures जो भी plus होने के बाद क्या आया, minus होने के बाद क्या आया. So 1,60,000 should come as stock. Machinery did not change. 1 lakh. Building, yes, we have revalued it to 3,60,000, so it comes here as 3,80,000. Sorry. Cash, we see 1,40,000 था. Plus premium for goodwill आ गया, PFG, and Mr. capital 2 lakhs. So therefore total cash is now 3,60,000. So that also completes the balance sheet. Of course it should tally, yes. And if you do like this, it will always tally. Yes. Please keep the concepts very clear. ये undervalued stock, overvalued by this much. ये सब थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है. And you should be doing good. So if at all you have any doubts, please post it in the comment section. Otherwise, keep doing the accounts the simplest of way with Kavita. See you students. Take care. Bye-bye.